I first met Matt at the West Oakland Farmers Market, where I sell our products every Sunday.
Well, my wife and I we're avid coffee drinkers. Um, at that time, my wife was starting to get into making espresso. We salvaged an old La Pavoni. It was in my wife's friend's basement for, I don't know, a decade or something, just sitting there. It even had water just inside of it. It was gross. Yeah, a friend and I, we disassembled it, cleaned it out, changed out all the gaskets. I bought a gasket kit for it. Um, and then we fixed it up and away it went. And she's only gotten better at making lattes and cappuccinos and everything. We use the Fellow's Ode. It's a plug-in grinder, and then we bought custom burr disc for it from Korea, so that we can get a very fine espresso, as close to espresso grind as I think is possible with that machine. Yeah, we really like a variety. There are some weeks where, well, I definitely have I choose favorites of Kern's beans, but I do jump around a lot because I enjoy the variety. If I had a daily drinker for pour over, I would like the Guatemala Huatehuango, probably in a full city plus. And if I am doing espresso, I love for a cane to use the Kenya Nyeri in a full city. I think with Kern, I know his history of going from roasting coffee in a popcorn maker and taking a journey from there to one machine to another machine. Now this iteration of using the Bellwether machine, and so he's a roaster who knows the process from tip to tail, all the way, from the most humble beginnings of roasting, all the way to, a high tech solution that gets him exactly the product that he is intending to roast.